What's a day trip to Ubud really like? And what can you really see in a day?
So I've got up early this morning and headed off to Tegallalang. I can usually never get that right, Tegallalang. And we're here at the Rice Terraces. Beautiful terraces that go, yeah, it's absolutely picture perfect here. There's hardly anybody here at the moment. I think most of the tourists come around 9 till 11 once the tour groups start coming up. But I've pretty much got it to myself. There is a couple of people here, but this is the best time early in the morning. So it really is spectacular. Tegallalang, I think it's a must do if you're in Ubud. I know you can come up and do it from the southern beaches, but from Ubud, 15-minute journey, get here early, have it to yourself. And if you like your Insta, well, Tegallalang is not going to disappoint. There's also a lot of lovely cafes that you can sit in, have a cold drink, and just watch the sun over Tegallalang. So I've just arrived at Pura, Gunung Kawi, and what I'm trying to do today is just show you what you'll get on a normal Ubud tour. You'll get Gunung Kawi, you'll get Tirta Empul that we're going to next, Tegallalang, the Rice Terraces, and you'll probably get the monkey forest as well. So just going to give you some highlights of those today, so you can sort of see what you'll get for a tour, or you can do by yourself if you rent a car or a motorbike. So I thought I'd just give a shout out at the moment to my 25th subscriber. Thanks for watching, Grace. Hope you're enjoying the journey and hope you keep on watching. Plenty more to come. Just a little bit of a hint as well, these are the Gunung Kawi baths, not the actual temple. The temple is a little bit further down, so that will be another entry cost. I know this one has a lot of tourists come to it, so even if you get here in the morning, you're probably going to have to line up if you want to get in the baths. I'm not going to do that today, but I'm just going to go have a look. So we're at Tirta Empul, and this is the reality. When you do get here, there is literally hundreds of people here, all waiting to have the holy bath. So just be prepared that when you get here, there is going to be a wait. So I've just got to Gunung Kawi, and it's 50,000 rupiah entry fee. And when you're walking in, everyone's going to be trying to sell you a sarong. It comes with the ticket. So as you go past everybody, you go down to a little ticket booth, you pay your tickets, and then eventually you come down to some guys that collect your ticket, and they will give you a sarong. You can give them a donation when you finish with it, but you don't need to buy a sarong from the sarong sellers as you're going there. Although saying that, it is a good idea if you're going to go around to multiple temples to buy your own souvenir, get yourself a sarong and take it everywhere with you. So there is a number of shop sellers as you get down to Gunung Kawi, and there also is a lot of stairs. So as you're walking down, just remember you're going to have to walk back up. do come through a concrete section right now in the bottom, so you will have to remember that's probably going to be a couple of hundred stairs as you walk back up. If you want to come and see all these things that we've seen today, give Nyoman a ring. His details are down below and he'll take you to all of them. No troubles, good English, you'll have a great day. So I've just arrived at Goa Gajah and it's the same principle as everywhere else. It's $5 or 50,000 rupiah to get in, and you do need a sarong, but you get one with your ticket. So why is it called Goa Gajah? There's no elephants in Bali. But in the cave they found a statue of an elephant, which goes back to the Hinduism of the cave. So therefore you got Goa Gajah, the elephant cave. So I'm in the Goa Gajah temple, and I can see why you pay your $5. Like a lot of people go, I don't want to pay $5 to get into somewhere. But I came here back in 1987, and you can see where the money's been put. It is an attraction now. It's got stairs, it's got fauna. It is quite good. It is still just a cave though. But it does have a lot of meaning. So there's a lot of performances going on this week, a lot of festivals, a lot of ceremony, a lot of prayers. I believe today might even be the end of the festival, where they're going to have a street procession around 2 o'clock. So I'm going to get back down here for that and see what it's like. Now started, so I'm in the middle of it. So that's been a really good trip around Ubud. We've been to Gajah as well, temper skiing. We've seen a lot, that much that I had to put it into a couple of episodes. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Next time we're heading down south, I think we're going to be in Sanur. I said I wouldn't go down there, but I've got a few things I need to do, so I might as well show you what Sanur's all about. So I'll see you next time in Sanur.
Okay.